Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel Carry-On Edition. Today we are in Fira, Santorini, Greece, staying at the Keti Hotel in room number 11. They use keys here that I've already entered, so we can open the door. And you have this shade, which is powered by a remote that's behind the wall. And as it goes up to reveal a stunning room. As we come in, you've got a nice sitting area overlooking the Caldera to enjoy your morning coffee, as well as the patio outside. They have an espresso machines here and a kettle. And of course there's no smoking inside, but they do provide with a ashtray, and then the room service menus. You want into the washroom here. You have your sink, amenities, shower, toilet. This curtain also has a pull down or a remote. Okay. And if we come back out, you'll plug on this side of the bed with your AC control and the TV remote. There is no plug on this side of the bed, but you do have other outlets around the room and some hangers and an extra blanket. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of Suite 11 at the Keti Hotel in Fira, Santorini, Greece. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.